Hello, Marina Village, Mr. Brown. This video is for your educators. Educators, I want to say thank you for, being in the assembly. Sometimes I have educators who don't come to the assemblies, and I have some who sit there cross-armed and all mad. And I want to thank you for participating in the assembly, not just when you came up and did I am responsible for me. And thank you for doing that. As you saw, the kids loved it. The kids loved it when we did the broom illustration. We did that for the 7th and 8th graders, not the 6th graders. I can't remember what I did. This has been so long. I'm currently in Minnesota speaking at some schools here. I just wanted to follow up with you guys, say really thank you. And I talked to one of your educators, and you said to me how well the kids were behaved, how they listened to me. And I want to say, yes, I agree. They did an amazing job paying attention, listening, especially the 7th, 8th grade, because it was such a large group of them. But that also says something about you guys as educators. Your culture is one of where there's respect demanded. Are kids perfect? No. Are we perfect? No. But I noticed that, hey, they listened well, they paid attention well. The ones that got a little squirmy, I get that, it's our assembly, but they did amazing. And I think that says something to the culture of the school. So thank you for that. And again, your participation was amazing because when you get up there and do the response for me, or just the way you were listening and paying attention and focused into, it makes the assembly go so much better. So thank you for that. I'd love to come back to your school. We are doing a family night in conjunction with Lake Forest. At the same time, I would love your feedback from the assembly. I would love to come back to your school. I would love to do a professional development with you guys as well. But in the meantime, I would love your feedback. If you would visit thechoosewellprogram.com/feedback and just leave your honest review of what we did. This helps us as an organization get better, helps me as a speaker get better, and also helps when it comes to funding. We can say to schools, hey, this is what happened at that school, or this is what this school is saying. And please leave a testimony at the bottom. Leave a story or two. Maybe the kids followed up. I enjoyed going to some of your classrooms, and maybe when I come back for the family night, we can spend some more time in classrooms. And I know it interrupts the class flow, but I think, for our time together, I had some great questions from kids, and I think they love when I come into their world. It's one thing for them to come hear me speak. When I go into their classrooms, they love it. So again, thank you, and please take a moment to visit thechoosewellprogram.com/feedback, fill out the form, and just give us some good feedback, because we want to get better. And honestly, if you got some critiques, I want to know those too, because sometimes we don't want to hear the things that we can improve on, but I want to get better, because what we are part of is greater than me. The ability to shape not just these kids, but the generations to come through the message we give to them. So thank you for that. I'm going to make a follow-up video for your school, another video for your school, because I had a chance to sit down with some 7th, 8th graders, I think it was, and they gave some of their feedback. And I think it'd be great for the school to hear what these kids had to say from what they learned. Now, I did bribe them with a sticker, so they shared what they learned and they got a free sticker. So I think it was a fair trade-off. Anyway, thanks again. Hope to see you soon. And remember, when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh, yeah.